Hi guys, in this video we will be looking at how we can optimize our Shopify product images and specifically the main product image which shows on the home page. So what we will do is we will grab a picture from here which you can say might have been taken from the camera or high resolution image which can be taken from mobile or iPhone, and now we have to optimize it for our website, and this image will show on our website on the front home page. So it will be the main image of our product. For example, if we can see this image, it is 1.3 MB of 120. Now we have to reduce this, so we'll open the picture. We'll do it without using any tool or anything, just within our computer. So first we have to crop it. Now, the first image of all the products should be of same size on your Shopify store. For example, it should be, if it is in vertical mode, then it should be every image should be vertical, but I would recommend that every image should be in square image, in 1:1 ratio, and so that would give your store a clean and optimal look. For example, I have uh, put that image in 1:1 ratio, that is square, and now I'll save it. I'll put it as handbag cropped. Yeah, so we have this picture. Now the second step is we will decrease the pixels of this image to an extent that the quality will not be compromised, and our image will be in less size. Click on resize image. Now here we have our image is of 3024 k pixel by 3024 pixels, and we will do it for around 500 pixels because that would be great. So you can see from 2 MB or 1.3 MB our image goes down to 50 KB, reducing the quality to 80%. That would not be an issue. So let's do this. So now we have three images. One is of 1.3 MB, and the image we have now for final image for uploading our product is 49.9 KB, and that's great. So we have reduced a lot of size for it. uh, One thing more we can do is we can convert it from JPG to WebP, which will which might reduce the size more. So let's do it. Open the website cloudconvert.com. Here you can change the format of your files. Click, drag the image here, put it to WebP, and then convert it. And it is a quick website. Let's see how much size it has reduced. WebP. And it reduced 3 to 4 kbs more. So we have it here. So on the one hand, I'll open this picture, the WebP one, and you can see there's not that much issue in the quality of the product. And if we look at here like this, because on our home page of our Shopify store or our WordPress any website, it will be not more than this size. So it's looking good, and it is in the optimal KBs. Now let's have a look at our handbag image. Yeah. If we look at it, there's not that much issue. And this is how you have to uh, reduce the quality a little bit and resize the image of your website and change the format to WebP for all of your Shopify products. Just do this to all the main product images, first product images at least. So your website will not be heavy. It will take less load and it will be user friendly for Google, and it will be SEO optimized as well. Do comment if you need more videos like this or you have any other query for it. Thank you. Bye bye.